Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Such a heart, such a soul. And when you find me there, you'll search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for.
You know
it's true. Everything I do, I do it for you.
Yeah, dutangira dutegura ni Absolute Entertainment Production. Filime yiskwende executive producer nabangaba mureba babongo bande bose abangaba batawukamu bawongo bande bose balange bali bandireya batane pchese Jackie Tang. Hey, Bogis, please, filime yiskwende for Dragons. Hey, hey, for Dragons, Bogis. Pirimenuko itange yuske for Dragons. Wushu National Championship Sean Lee. Hakarimo cyane bose n'abakinnyi benshi cyane. David Bao. Wushu National Champion. Kwani. Robin Ho. Wushu World Entertainment. Abatezi bipfunsi byitwa bya Wushu. Hano harimo umusore w'umutezi shafu. Ni umutezi ukomeye cyane. Uraza kumubona. Nabazaniye abatezi, Mr. Nabazaniye abatezi. Sore batera ibipfunsi n'imigeri. Maka Cheng. Yo bateguye neza cyane. For Dragons. Tangira n'umuru bakubita. Barakandagira. Kandagira ikigoryi.
Rise to sunset. This is the order of nature.
Amanywa ngo kuva mu gitondo kurinda izuba rirenze. Ukunika imiterere y'isiteye byanze bikunze mu nguni y'isi abari ubabara ababazwa n'abandi.
Our destiny was in our own hands. And we were susceptible to what our minds would allow us to believe.
Mr. Wong umuntu wese wamusuzuguraga ibibazo yabijyanaga mu maboko ye. Takihanira matters into his own hands, Mr. Wong. For Dragons. Michari. Kubishoboka. Sori baricwa. N'abasore ngo bakora umugabo witwa Wong. Twi. Oh! Kick Bogis.
Tin Sok fostered 4 young men under his care.
Tin Sok ngo numwe wabafasha abasore banabitaho.
And persistence.
N'abana mugiye bakoraga ngo bari mu kurwana n'ubuzima. Dragon.
Full of integrity. Musore wiyubahaga ndetse akanuba. Feared by all for his iron fists.
Akaboko gakomeye ngo bigatuma bamutinya.
Blaze. Reserved and scheming. An expert in the ancient art of Tai Chi.
Uongo yari umuhanga cyane muri Tai Chi ya kera Blaze.
A rogue.
Baramutinyaga ari mubi cyane.
Ace. Persistent. Brave for a cause.
Musore wiyanganaga gusanga karwanira impamvu.
Fights to the
driven by a cause.
tiger. Impulsive.
Hello.
Defies conventional wisdom.
Mwana muto ngo wari ufite ubuhanga bukomeye cyane kandi ari we muto muri bose.
Feather.
Twaremeye gusuzugurwa na rimwe uko ari bane baza gusuzugurwa bakora muri company y'umugabo umwe ngo wakoraga wacukuraga amabuye y'agaciro witwa Wong. Mr. Wong umusuzugura ibibazo bitwara mu maboko yo gukemura icyo kibazo cy'agasuzuguro.
Each is significant in their own right.
Bravo.
Is unkind to these miners as they toil the land every day, despite the forces of Mother Nature.
Bakoraga amanywa nijoro batitaye ku miterere y'ikirere.
They have no one to turn to,
Naho bari bafite bajya
nowhere to hide.
nta naho kwisha hari. Basore ko bakoraga nk'abacakara ari ndukobwa twakoraga nk'uducakara umugabo yarabakoreshaga
Day in and day out.
abahemba duke umunsi ukarenga ugataha.
Romance is the most beautiful melody in life.
Nta kindi kintu cyabanezezaga kereka ngo abakobwa b'abacakara nabo babaga bari impande zabo nibo babashimishaga gusa.
To soothe the desolation.
Ariko nta n'ububasha bari bafite bwo kuba bakwegerana. Ariko agasore gato ka Tayiga bariraga bugacya bakongera bagakora. Bakorera umugabo umusuzugura gato uhabwa imigeri.
By labor,
Bananirwaga kubera akazi.
weary and worn out. What kept them motivated? Kept them from giving up? Would their loved ones from the homeland?
Barega abagabo bakundaga mu gihugu cyabo bakishaka bakibura nta maherezo.
Truth.
Please let me introduce my guest, Mr. Yoshimura.
Nyakwa Yoshimoto bravo.
Mr. Yoshimura is quite impressed with our cultural dance.
Nyakwa Yoshimoto yanejejwe rwose n'imiterere y'uburyo abakobwa bacu
So
babyinina.
I'd like you to meet the head of our tin mine, Master Sam. This is Tin Sok.
Uwo yitwa Tim Soko niwe ushinzwe kuba yayobora bose abancukurira ubukungu bwanjye buva mu butaka.
There. This is my beloved wife, my lovely daughter, Dan Dan.
Umugore wanjye mwiza cyane umukobwa wanjye ndetse n'inshuti y'umukobwa wanjye abo nibwo bakiva i Burayi. Nyakubahwa wa Byashimoto icara hariya rwose Byashimoto ajya kwicarana umujapani wari uje kumusura ari gusura Mr. Wong. Ibirori biratangira. Wong ni umukire cyane bantu bakuru abahinzi barajya kumuhingira dore ahantu atuye barahinga si uguhinga gusa bakamucukurira amabuye y'agaciro ariko umusuzuguye gato. Mr. Wong nta mikino agira barabyina nk'uko muzi iby'abakire. Mr. ugeze wanjye wakwicara muri salo ukaryoherwa ariko sizabaha karibu. Ari we kigingo cy'impeke barabyina. Ni umuryango ufite agafaranga. Mama kuriya byina se nta kabuno nta kari. None wanjye niko abashinwa dutuye. Uko babyina kube muzafite ba bodyguard hano ibiga birareba ko uziko barabyina eske gari we barabyina dore abakuru gatwe kabari hano n'umukuru. Ba bodyguard barareba no urabyina sha nuko sha nzakugabira wowe ukapfa nzagura ukwamo. Twakundi nk'hano tuzi agaciro mu Bushinwa umuntu yagukunze akakwishimira kubera ibikorwa agupangira ingurube. Kugaba rero rwose reba nk'wageze akabavuza ihagije abakobwa rwose ndiko sha yosha. Ba boss barebye ukuntu abantu babyina ibyishimo ziba zose ndiko sha.
I'm very interested in the tin business. I may invest as the potential is limitless.
Kumbe hakuna ibisore byaryaga babasaba bacukurira boss bari hakurya arimo kubyinirwa kubera ubukungu bwaba ngaba mbese ni nkamwe murayaza naje nkajya kubyina mukarya nabi eske gari we kigingo cy'impeke nyagupfa we ko bakariye kumbe hakuno hari agasore byanze mu
Same food every day.
turya ibiryo bimwe buri munsi
Time with no days off.
ntabwo tujya duhindura yego wangu
Tiger's right.
Tiger avuze ukuri
We'll go see Tinsock and arrange a meeting with the boss.
tubwire tiri soko apange gahunda yo kugira ngo tujye guhura na boss yego turagushyigikiye yes ba boss ibi birashaka kuva ku kazi tu tiri
We've
soko
never complained.
abakozi bose bivuga
It's been real hard down there. The men are mad and need rest.
epiriya birakomeye abasore bakeneye no kuruhukaho you can arrange a meeting with the boss wapanga inama na boss
All right, you and Dragon can go.
Okay.
sawa ubwo ni wowe na Dragon muri bukeyo
No, not yet. Master Hong is a busy man.
usibye ko mugomba kumenya ko Master Wongo ari umugabo uhorana akazi gahambaye so please niba mushaka kujya mu musabe kugira ngo abakaruhuko ibipagasi byaraje
Okay.
ngaho muzi reka mbabarize boss mwanya gupfamo
Two of the workers from the mine are here to see you.
Master Wongo abakozi babiri baturutse muri mining baje kureba ni hamwe bacukura ubukungu ubutare bwa uranium zahabu koroto baza kureba boss
Hello, sir.
Your Dragon and your Well, Tim Sook said he doesn't need to worry about this matter.
mubwire tisoko nite kuri ibi bibazo muraza kuruhuka vuba bitari byapfa
We'll get all
ukeneye kabisa noneho boss reka tujye mu boss barabireka birasohoka hagati n'ibi byinshi
Japanese investors have agreed to join with you. That's a good sign.
ni byiza cyane ko umujapani Yashimoto yiyemeje kugira ngo twakora ni ikimenyetso cyiza rwose muze Yashimoto yaraje gukorana nawe abapagasi ngo barashaka akaruhuko ngo bagomba guhindura imirire ry'abakibo banyagupfa ca icyababwira byo yukwari byo yarya impungure ntavuge mugaburira kandi teri bakavuga alo barakwereka muri iryo joro rimwe aho bari bagiye kugaburirirwa nanone mu ijoro ryakurikiyeho baraye ngo basabye basore
It's the 15th of the month. A truly lucky day.
umunsi ni umunsi w'amahirwe kabisa kuko Tiger ndetse na Dragon twabohereje baratuzanira amakuru turabasabye amakuru ye raka kumbe ba
Go on, enjoy.
boss yanga bamwivumburaho
Go on, sit down.
muti mwicane musagire n'abandi dutegeze amakuru meza abagiye kuzana amakuru bari babariye mbushe tiri soko nawe baramuyora gamba Yekirimo kurya shabira uyu munsi byamenye kwa koko imiryango nta n'ubwo ucika muri mwese nobody will escape gamba bakozi bose babatashemo Jerry turabari basanye amakuru abana bari basanye amakuru nibo babanje kuribwa mbushi ako kagumisha hano ku gashenzi Jerry kabo muvuga mutemwa murimo murashaka akaruhuko barasinzi babaha akaruhuko tu dore akaruhuko barimo kubaha bose yabwiye ngo baraza kuruhuka burundu ugupfa muri make ubigaragambije yewe hari umukene wigaragambya ku mukire banyagupfa nta bwenge bafite ubigabe ngo bizuba bagwani tadutaye wangu mujahe hari umukene wivumbura kuri boss ajinga sana Jerry Bogis Sinzi katurore musore yari yarikaraza biranga ariko si arafata umubago tu Bogis Kiti Bogis Jerry kakana gato kiti bastard nta mikino ihari kana gatoko k'agahanga karwana kubera impamvu kumbe abari nabo bari barimo kurya inkoko uyu munsi bari babahinduriye kurya inkoko unasezera iduniya fata igiti bastard kurya inkoko usezera isi Jerry mubagwa mu nda arangarwana nawo Bogis bagaswa boss Jerry way please upagaswa boss hey tiri soko baramusohoye
Save yourself! Get away!
basore mwitabare mutike tiri soko niwe ubayobora nobwe gucika bitabara ugahurira pagaswa boss mukuru pagasa kugukubita utwinyo tugatara kureba pagaswa boss mukuru bodyguard mukuru Garam bodyguard tiso karabwe ngo nibacika Ese na Blaze nibo bari basigaye Tiger na Dragon ni mwibuke nabo babari yambushaho baciye kigabo cyasigaye n'indani muri rimo kwaka uri mushinja Ati sabachenji cha Chaba badwa nuko bagicitse Sinzi boss amakuru kimu boss ni umurakare ahita batumaho Boss ni umurakare nakwivumbura mu kazi niyo mpamvu byo yazindukanye uyu munsi Mumeto egera hafi kugira hano
What happened at the mine? What are you doing here? We were all betrayed by the boss.
byagenze bite bose bahuriye hano na Dragon wari wagenda Tiger hari icyo numva
What happened? Yeah, I don't know.
we are ambushed badutse ambush
Tinsock. We got separated. We looked for him.
nuko byagenze turababaye cyane uko umugabo yakavuze ngo bagenda bica babamare barakwereka barakize bawinjira mu misozi nuko bakawinjira mu misozi barakwerekana abatambukiraga abatambukaga n'abandi bantu bitambukiraga aho ngaho bibera nabo mu misozi y'iyo ngiyo ntacyo mwumvishe wangu hano harimo abantu bakeneye ubutabazi abanyabirenge bitambukiraga hakuno babona abantu tubajyane mu giturage cy'iwacu
Who are they?
bibajije abari bo no kujya kubafasha bavura iri soko iri yo soko se iteza cyane iri soko bose bariraga bavuga iri soko mwese mama allo uno musaza wabayoboraga hamwe bahingaga we
What's his condition?
ameza atonguwe
Gonna be all right now.
araza kumera vuba neza
Don't push yourself.
wivanga wikwiyaturiza misore muto abana b'abaturaguye ni gisaza kiri hakuno mu misozi iri soko
Tinsock. They must be my old friend Tinsock.
ashobora kuba ari inshuti yanjye ya kera iri soko
I want you to take the two of them along with you and go
usoni
find Tinsock.
mata bagenzi bawe babiri hanyuma mwongere mwerekere muri iyo misozi mushaka umusaza tutatisohoka abasore barimo gukomeza bavuga bo Abu
just follow my orders.
kurikira amabwiriza yanjye urumva Bumba we bamuzeye rwabuze Bumba yitwa Rwanyonga irindi rye urumva bo yego rwabuze Abumba yagomba gufata inzira bakajya gushaka wa musaza atira soko nababwiye abasaza mucike mwitabane baramukura he katroli kwinjira none basa naho bavuye ntibamukuse umubabo cawo dore akaganda akaboko abashenyi bari banditse
Been here. We worked the land day and night with the hope that one day we would be able to return to our homeland and make a better living for ourselves.
buri munsi ngo batekereza ko umunsi umwe bazavaho bayicukuraga bakareba ko bazagira ubuzima bwiza amanywa n'ijoro bahoraga bategereje.
We've become part of it. It has become our new home.
gusa habaye guhira wabo washasha
We are family. This is where we eat.
turi umuryango hano niho turya niho tugomba kurara barakwereka umusore umwe yatangiye kureba uko byari bimeze bakigerayo.
I want you to know, I realize your arrival here.
umenye neza nemera kugera kwanyu hano.
Offer some advice. That is, follow the rules of the mine to the letter.
inama ni ugukurikirana amabwiriza.
Will help you if you need it. But be forewarned. Escape is out.
guhunga ntibiri
No attempt at it.
no gucika.
Is that clear?
turumvikana.
Work hard, and you'll all do really well here. Someday, you will be free men.
mukore cyane umunsi umwe muzashobora gutaha amahoro.
Dragon will give out the work assignments
Dragon yaraza kubereka inshingano zanyu
to
z'akazi.
know for your respective jobs. Blaze. Sir,
Blaze
Blaze will arrange for your lodging. Need I remind you that work in the mines is exhausting.
Blaze azita ku mibereho yanyu yo ku buryo muryamamo abereka nuko murara.
Ace. Sir.
Yes
Ace will explain all the rules and regulations.
Yes araza kubasobanurira amabwiriza ndetse n'amategeko agenga abacukuzi bose b'amabuye y'agaciro.
Tiger. Sir.
Tiger kakana gato.
Take them to get cleaned up.
Tiger azajya bitaho ku bijyanye n'imiterere y'isuku ndetse no gukaraba kwanyu. Muzajya mujya kwidumbaguza hehe mu kidumbezi. Gukaraba kwabo.
Finally, the cutting of the braids ceremony. It signifies a new beginning. It makes us aware that we cannot return.
kuba tugiye kubogosha biragaragaza itangiriro ryanyu ry'ubuzima bundi bushyashya mugiyemo. Signifies a new beginning. Gabo.
I urge you all to embrace this moment.
Ndagira ngo mwese
Definitely a turning point in your life.
uyu mwanya mutangire muha agaciro ndetse mwishimire uyu mwanya mugezemo. Ni igihe cyo gushaka agafaranga kumbe nta rufaranga baje gushaka bameze nk'umuryango udaharanira inyungu. Gabo. Hello. mu gikorwa cyo kudahembwa barakwereka urimo kutuganirira nawe wari umeze nabi muri babandi bakase arimo arerekana ukuntu bagezeyo batangira kwibuka arakibuka ibintu byinshi abiganira.
The 15th of the month.
igitangaza ni ukuntu twatatswe ijoro rimwe. We were ambushed in one night. Ya ambush bamuteye Tiger ndetse na Dragon. Dragon ni uganira Tiger ni kagasore gato arimo karibuka. Dragon ni uganira Jerry ambush bavuye muri ambishikadi mu gifaransa ambush imaribuka kabako kuntu bakabazi bavuye muri ambishikadi.
Let's get out of here.
Ibuka imigeri bakoresheje barwana ingumi buryo bwo gushaka gukira muri rya joro rimwe. The night. Joro rimwe. Sole ni ndembe barimo baribuka. Bogis Jerry. Very good.
Come on. We killed someone. Run.
Kwisha abantu tugano tugenda ubwa mbere bari bisha abantu. Ibyo byose nibyo barimo kwibuka. Aho bari barimo kuvurwa.
What will be our future?
Ahazaza tunaye. What could be our future? Baribaza.
Are we doomed?
Ese twaba turi mu kuzimu? Are we doomed?
I could keep the workers who are already on the job.
Uzasuzugura mu kazi wese azahura n'urupfu. Bamwe nuko bagiye bitwa.
Blood that I can trust in order to complete the expansion.
Abasore batangiye kugira ubwoba.
This business from the beginning, and I will not see it fail. I will not tolerate anyone who may hinder the process.
Nta muntu n'umwe nzigera nemera kugira ngo mbe namworohera mu gihe uwo ari we wese ashaka kujya mu ahagarika ubukungu bwanjye.
Master Sam will arrive soon. Assist him any way you can.
Master San arahagera vuba.
My daughter Dan Dan wishes to make a visit to the tin mine.
Umukobwa wanjye Dan Dan aragira ngo ajye gusura abasore bacukura umurimo w'agaciro. Umuherekeze. Dan Dan ni umukobwa wa boss Mr. Sang. Dan Dan yendaga kujya gusura agasura isoko nibwo yarakiva mu Bwongereza n'umwana wa boss nibwo yaragikira. Baba boss bakize barabanje kuba baraho kujya ngo azahombe Mr. Remera akica n'umuntu. Boss nuko ateye aho kugira ngo abashenje bazamusubiza inyuma yiyemeza no kubagirira nabi ahubwo Dan ngo na mugenzi we w'umwongereza akazi bagiye mu butembere mu isoko rya Gapangamani nako mu Gahoro. Gabo mu Gahoro. Gapangamani, yes, kegariwe.
Watch out! Hot water! Hey! Oh, sorry. Don't get worked up. He didn't mean it. But I just washed these clothes.
It's beautiful. It is our culture. It is really peaceful here.
Mbega byiza hano rwose ni umuco wacu bisobanura amahoro. Turashaka amafaranga y'umutekano. Yo gushyira umutekano. Ni imigeni n'amango basore batangiye gutabarana mu isoko.
You all right? Yeah.
Mumeze sabara abapagasi bo kwa boss bagiye biruka ni bagonga umukobwa boss.
He disappeared.
Tuburi.
We told you to stay close.
Nababwiye ngo twegerane iki kigabo cyo ndakizi mwegerane. Nigishaka nacyo duhana ariko.
Get going.
Mureke twigendere let's keep going.
Stop now. Take off. It's none of your business.
Uburemwe nibibareba. Abasore barimo baribuka umunsi wa mbere bahura n'igipagasi cya boss. Bodyguard wa boss batazi ko nawe uzaza kubagirira nabi. Umunsi wakurikiyeho amushingo zapanzwe kuva kera. Umusore aracyatuganirira. Dragon aracyatuganirira. Aha kumba boss niwo munsi yaritumye umukobwa we Dan Dan ngo ajye kujya gusura aho bacukura.
Right.
Mwana mutoya gira hariya tubaze tubari imibare ibiro byavuyemo bya koroto. Bari ibiro bya koroto. Bari biro barapima ku biro bya koroto. Turi ubukungu we turi za koroto. N'agasegereti. Segereti bafitemo n'isi n'agasegereti. Kamwe gakorwamo itabiri isanzwe intore tabake selection. Ibindi nkabyo ko abasore bakavuye ku mukobwa boss yagomba kuza hano hantu abarwaniye mu isoko mwibuke neza aho bari bararwaye ibi byose nibyo bibuka ukuntu boss yashatse kunyanga yabagirira nabi nabo ukuntu batagiye guhangana nawe batazi ko bahanganye na shebuja.
How are you, Tinsok?
Tinsok ko mumeze
Out of the mine, Tinsok. Oh, Tinsok.
Niko niwe Tinsok yamazi muri aho.
From above.
Yeah.
We nishiti yavuye mu mahanga ndatu cyane.
Out of the mine.
Baribuka umugabo kibanye neza na shebuja bakibanye neza na shebuja wabo. Kobwa Dan.
Try to escape again? What did I tell you? I warned you about the rules of the mine. Stop it.
Gitutu twakubwiye ngo ikikuba amabwiriza
What's happening?
Ko nibiki birimo kubina mu Bushinwa ko mu Rwanda cyane mva cyakizungukaga.
Take him away.
Igeruka barwanira mu isoko nabo barimo bararwana.
Right, it's all over. Everyone back to work.
Mwese musubire mu kazi mwabanya gupfa mwe. Musubire mu kazi everybody back to work. Yey!
Tinsok.
Tinsok.
Those guards beat the workers.
Bari abarinzi kuki barimo gukubita abarinzi bahinzi bagenzi babo nako abacukuzi.
Hey, look.
Va.
It's the girl we saw earlier.
Ibwa abakobwa twabonye mu isoko.
The boss's daughter.
Umukobwa wa boss uriye bamwita Dan.
Now, this is the kitchen.
Yes.
Kuko barimo kuganira ku gakobwa nako kagize gutya karebyeyo kabona mu basore harimo agasore gato keza ka Tiger.
Huh?
Dani ngwino hakuno. Dani kumbe yari yarobye. Ako ntugatinye.
The rules say no one escapes. Anyone caught will be punished.
Numva buriya ni ukugira ngo hatagira ucika. Ufashwe acika wese arahanwa. Niyo mpamvu mwabonye uriya musheje barimo kumuhatiriza.
Yes, I'll do that as well.
Ndaza kubikora ningira kuri data ndaza kumubaza ukuntu bakubita abakozi babo.
Consequences.
Oya baba arawe gasopu ushaka gucika wese ahura n'ingaruka. Kumva gakobwa nabo kari kazi ko akoresha abantu ku ngufu. Abafite abantu akoresha nk'abacakara. Dore bari bakubise. Amasaza aragiye kuricuma. Amasaza akicumye.
It's pretty good quality. You better put these on the chart.
Right.
Nakeka kari agasore gatoya kahubutse.
So have you decided yet how you're going to punish that kid?
Urakomeza n'uriya mwana muto cyangwa?
They're young and impulsive. Let's give him a break.
Oya n'umwana muto mu by'ukuri ushaka barahubuka gusa. Ntabwo yarazi ingaruka bihambaye.
You're too easy.
Reka tumbabarire.
Make it worse.
Tiri soko ushobora kubitwara buhoro wagera kwa boss we bikakuzambana.
Leniency. They're just young.
N'abasore bato they need leniency. Bakeneye kubatwara buhoro. N'ubuto bukibarimo. Nanjye ndaza gusobanura boss.
Come on.
Kumva agasore bari bagacakiye abana bashinzwe kurinda abagenzi babo baba bagerageza kuri gucika bava.
Serve it.
Amushenje niba baramufatanye iki nawe. Yeye bagakorota.
How can they treat us like animals?
Nigute badutwara nk'inyamaswa.
Far.
Ntabwo ari uko byakabaye. Tiger.
What did you do?
Wakoze iki?
A new guy. He needed my help.
Kumbu yafashe wa wundi bari bahani. Yarakeneye ubufasha bwanjye ndamufasha. Muzanira kakura. Azira guhereza wa wundi bari bafunze icyakura.
Hey! You okay? What happened? Wake up! I think he fainted! That's no excuse! Back to work!
Ngo wari umaze iminsi bari bwarembye.
Leave him alone!
Urwaye gishenje bahaguruka.
Hey!
Bari karembye karimo kwihereza hwereza. Tiger yitambitse bahondaguye Tiger barangije nabo baramufunga. Ibi byose nibyo arimo kuvuga byabayeho. Bari bafashwe n'inyamaswa.
Back to work!
Uwo yararimo kwibuka impamvu bamufunze no gutabara wari wahwereye. Waguye hasi. Umunsi wo ku cyumweru abantu batatu. Wa gatandatu ariyo sabato.
Sorry, he's only a kid. Forget it.
Umva ntabwo tugomba gutwara cyane abana twihuse. N'abana bato.
There's nothing I can do.
Ntabwo ari jewe ni boss tanga itegeko ntacyo mfite nakora. Kumwiri ukuriye abarinzi bagomba kurinda bari bahinga inanga.
What if he gives up this week's pay?
Wagenda se ngasobanurira boss.
I have to follow the rules.
Jewe ndakurikiza amabwiriza. Boss yatanze itegeko ngo mugire ndamugira.
See how sorry he is.
Genda none mvugane na boss turaza kureba icyo kwemerera. Follow the rules. Kugira amabwiriza. Follow the rules. Hey!
To Master Hong. Ask him for a pardon.
Yaje kurabanya ku bahanga.
I'll tell the master.
Reka nze mbabwirire master rero. Bani kwa boss. Modest. Hello. So karicara na ka Tiger bategeza.
I will see you.
Boss arashaka kubona wowe.
Not you, Tiger.
Ruzingo Tiger. Ntabwo ari wowe. Weba wicaye ngaho nyagupfa. Not you Tiger. Ukuriya akajya kujya guhura na boss agasore kandi hano.
Miss Dandan.
Oh,
Dandan muri
you
aho.
at the mine earlier?
Naje kandi kumva igikobwa cya boss biri igikobwa bya boss nabyo biraroba. Ugasanga kijyanye n'umukarani wa hariya Nyakariba.
Pardon from Master Hong.
Twari tuje gusaba Master Hong imbabazi.
Daddy?
Imbabazi iki?
He's my papa.
Ni papa
Oh,
wanjye.
yeah.
Hey,
That's right. I
kumbe.
violated the rules over at the mine.
What kind of rules were they?
Amabwiriza yo muri za mine yari yaducukura twayarenzeho. Narenze
This
ko
guy fainted and needed help, so I, hit a guard.
mugenzi wacu yarakeneye ubufasha nyuma ndagenda muryamye hejuru abarinzi bankubise cyane nanjye ndabakubita.
Said anything? I'd like to know some more details.
Ndashaka kumenya n'iki cyambere aho hantu mukorera bimeze bite.
Followed. I chose not to. Sorry, miss.
Yangane mama ntabwo napfa kubwira rwose.
Sorry.
Kandi nongera kunyitana muri ubu mwese mubyaye.
I don't even know your name.
Ntabwo nkuzi. Witwa
My name is Tiger.
banyita Tijeri Kaje.
What brings you here?
Ega
There must be a reason.
ugomba kuba baje ari impamvu. Kumbe boss ari hakuno arimo arasaba abantu yaje kumusaba imbabazi ntabwo boss aramenya ko umupagasi arimo gutereta umukobwa we nako umukobwa aratereta umupagasi.
But he is sorry.
Boss umwana yakoze agafuti ariko ihangane urumva boss siwe mu boss wa mbere.
You've always handled these worker matters at the mine, haven't you?
ariko ibintu byose narabikurikije mu maboko yawe ujya bahane urebe udakwiye guhanwa umubwire tumugire rwose.
There's safety.
Tinsok,
iri soko
for years now, you and I have handled this business.
myaka irashize ari myinshi njyewe nawe turi muri business imwe.
Actually, the buyers are paying exceptionally well these days.
abaguzi barimo barananyishyura neza nshaka kujya akazi kanjye kabe ka
Change that, like anger the client.
nta nubwo nifuza kuba narakaza abakiriya bitewe n'umukozi.
But the miners are getting overworked, sir.
ariko nyakubahwa ba miners barasaba imbabazi bariya bacukuzi.
Tinsok,
iri soko
I wouldn't worry yourself. A solution is on its way.
ntugire ikibazo bikemura ibibazo biri hafi biri mu nzira ibisubizo biraje.
Don't ever forget that we are family.
kandi wowe kwibagirwa ko turi umuryango bari abashenzi bajye bahingira ubuntu nabo babwiye ko bahingira famiye nubwo nabazi. ubu iki ngiki ko cyagatambutse
This way.
ngwino hakuno tugende
I'll tell you later.
ndakubwira mu nyuma ngwino tubanza tugende hakuno.
We only met once. But since then, I can't get his face out
kariya
of
gahungu twahuye ari murumva ariko njye ntabwo njya nibagirwa isura yawe ni umukobwa wa boss.
the iron.
nakoze ukuntu kameze n'agasimba wigi n'agasimba n'agasimba yewe umupagasi yageze gutya asanga cya gikarani kirimo kiraganira n'umukobwa wa boss. bicara nkwe ku cyayi nicyo nanjye papa bamutekeraho nanjye nicyo nkwa nawe nkwa ku cyayi cya boss. umushenjira uyu mushenjira
Better life.
nari gushaka ubuzima bwisumbuye gusa bugenda bukomera umukobwa arasa nk'uregerwa se. dore isura we ko bakavuyeyo use
No.
hayiwe bari buriya mushenjira igipanga cyo cyarababaraga muruko cya umushenjira mushenjira nagahereye ndinda cye gikobwa nako kindeba rujya kwiyahuza inzoga rwanyoye ikibindi cy'inyanga nta mikino ihari. amushenji wangu ntagiye mbere mugenda inyuma y'uriya mukobwa nagimbishije agatuza muse n'abandi buriya mushenji.
No more.
Nkuya wikwiyongera umukobwa kumbe ntabije yakunda.
No.
Nkuya wikwiyongera kumbe wa munyamahanga niwe atangiye kureba cya kananga.
Look at this. What's wrong with me?
reba sinzi icyambayeho uzi ko nanjye nyoye nk'iminamo inzoga
Wet.
yewe datowe byose byatose. n'umwongereza akaza agakobwa kari kakadandani kari karagiye kwiga kazanye n'inshuti cyareba uyu kikamurebamo ka kandi awe zatawe
I want you to have this.
akira nguhereze
Lucky Charm. So, do
Now
you
come
have
on.
plans for the future?
I wanted to...
ntabwo ngushima ngabo mu nguni yo mu rugo.
Yes. He's very kind, dignified.
Grab!
Gorgi uzi ko kagorgi shenji we bagufata wibye koroto gake cyane nuko kumanika ku giti bo bari bagiye kumanika yibye koroto ariko mwabana mwe mwanya se mwabana mwe tagira iryinyo so biba koroto ngana koroto ya boss kabariya aze kwiba koroto. Hey! Ibisaza biba byarihebye kireba imyaka cyakoreye cyasanze kiti nanjye nabibye tubakagicakira. Bari warebaga ari ukuntu abantu bababara.
Hey.
Yewe. Banga. Bini biki banga. Rotoraguye koroto.
Look, there's another one.
Mwana hari undi murambo hano. There is another one. Bari bavuye kwa boss basubiye muri handi bacukurira. Bakagiye bagiye bikanga. Kagize hano karakomeza. Mwana w'umuhanga gutwarwa n'ibyabonye. Kumbe uwo bishe nawe utagira uwakomokaho, nawe utagira umuryango, nawe utazarema n'umuryango niyo yasigaye wenyine. umuryango waguka ngo bishe yari afite umuryango mwana ibi ni iki koko mana abagabo ko basigara abibura ntubona nimfitaga bapfuye.
Whoever finds this, please take care of her.
Kobwa Angeline usabona urwandiko wese azamunyitereho. Ubu yasuye yanditse akandiko muri ka gashakoshi yataye hasi ikintu cyo cyasomye akandiko kirangije busubire kirakanguka.
Big gambling. But I believe it's the only way I might be able to help Ling.
Kugira ngo bafashe nini nta kindi bagomba gukora abasore barakwereka n'ijoro bikinaga urusimbi rwadukiye bafite. Umusore yinjira mu simbi kugira ngo ajye gufasha umukobwa Lini biciye se wa musaza amanitse mu kanya. Muri gambling. Gambling ni urusimbi. Bakiri kisasha dore bikoroto kacukao. Sengani.
Here. This is for you.
Kiri bini byawe. Arwafashe Lini. Please. Nako S yafashe Lini. Tangira gufasha umwana w'umusaza wapfuye uko yakamufashije. Agakobwa gatuye hafi yaho bacukuraga nako gatangira kumureba ikijisho.
I'm glad to see you are happier now.
Nejejwe no kubona byibutse ugenda wishima mu nijoro.
I've brought everything I've ever saved. I want you to have it.
Nyuma y'ibintu byose nakoherereje ndagira ngo mfate n'ibi ngibi yakinaga urusimba asa n'umukobwa.
Just take it.
Bijyane. Just take it. Mugenzi karamuhobera.
I have to go.
Ngomba kugenda.
Take care.
Uziyiteho.
Be well.
Ibihe byiza. Be well.
Goodbye.
Kandi urabeho. Kobwa karamurebye cyangwa yana muntu ushaka kurekura umugogari icyababwira giye abaza bakanyihambira utara akanyizirikaho. Navuga naho niyo rusingi. Ibirori kumbaraga bamugana wayandirimba. Twatashe ndiko jya nyuma.
When or if we will meet again.
Sinzi niba tuzongera guhura. Ibyo byose nibyo umusore yakomeje kuganira.
Seems everything may change after
bisa naho ibintu byose bigiye guhinduka nyuma yuko duterwa ambush.
But who is responsible?
Ariko se ninde wabiteye byose? Who is responsible? Seki irresponsable. Ngo ninde wabiteye? Twavugara. Seki irresponsable. Musore uko arimo kuganira ibyo barongeye yibuka kuntu babateye. Ibigo byarabatunguye shawo. Ayo data we batumye ndo. Ngiri wo muntu kagarura.
No one escaped.
Sore ndimo ndibuka kuntu babateye. Bari bazuri responsible ibyo byose ninde? Diba swabitaye Seki. Wabitaye ninde? Who is responsible? Johnny! Hey! Uri umupagasi wa boss. Imari bukukuru byagenze. Ngabo byari bari byose barabyibuka. Umunsi wabo wanyuma bacika. Yesu nuko yakubiswe nayo migera heruka ya nyuma. Yesu byose arimo arabyibuka ikigabo cyaramuhaye. kigabo kirarwana Mr. Niba abagabo bari bakuru kandi abantu bagwingiye kubera kurya neza abantu barakora Mr. Mwana mu bagaburire banywa amata sikegari we wakure ku bivuzo nigute umwana atagira imbaraga nk'iziki Yesu arimo arabyibuka byose kibabazwa nuko bagicitse kikaba ni gikuru we please uve kuri Oscar dore umugabo Oscar umubaza impamvu yagwingiye akakubwira ngo erega ni ibivuzo naryaga agakombe k'ibivuzo n'ikijumba gikonje buri mu gitondo
What did I do to deserve this?
Niki twakoze ku buryo twakorerwa ibi? What did we do to deserve this?
Who did this?
Ninde wakoze ibi? Twakoze iki ku buryo twakorerwa ibi? Kumbe kwa boss waraseka kandi amenye ko boss.
Oh, how are you?
Master Sam, welcome. This way, please.
Master Sam urakaza neza ari Master Sam bari bansanye n'ibyo gufasha.
Come with the proposition. What is-
Nari ngufite igitekerezo.
Have some tea.
Well, you see, we've been partners for years now.
Tumaze igihe kirekire.
Still considering investing in your business.
Ntekereza ukuntu nagushakira abandi bantu binjiza muri business yawe.
Concerned about this Klansman of yours. The one.
Gusa numvisha ko ufite ikibazo cy'ubusore butoya ngo bushobora kuba bwaragucitse ngo buze kurwana n'iki.
Place?
Tinsock, the things you asked for are ready.
Bagomba kujya kubahiga nabo bahungiye.
We have a piece of jade that represents our brotherhood.
Oh,
We each have one. It is quite fine.
really?
Akira kana rwose ni ingenzi.
Fine.
Hello.
Oh, Tin Sock has men who are very skilled. Do I need to be worried at all?
Tibisoko ngo afite abasore bane biyizereramo tubagireho ikibazo cyane.
4 workers from the mine. They are Dragon, Tiger, Ace, and Blaze, Master Hawk.
Nyakuba wangu ni Dragon, Tiger, Ace na Blaze. Abo ngabo ni babi cyane muri ba miners mu bacukuzi.
Anything else? It's not fair.
Ibi ntago ari byo. Kumba boss nawe yarabizi ko bwa busore bunatari bwiza na gatoya ubwo babivugaga bakiri kumwe nabwo. Ubusore aho buri mwibwe neza ni indembe. Hakurya barimo kubapangira. Bakabapangiye mwibuka abasore barimo baravurwa n'umusaza wabatoraguye bavuga ko Tinsock ari inshuti.
Good morning.
Dragon, Tiger, Blaze, and Ace. Remains 4 dragons.
I don't understand him sometimes.
Yeah, he's always been this way.
Quit being
Kumba abasore koko baramwishimiranaga. Mu bandi bakoze bose nibo basore bagumaga kuri gahunda bakagira icyo bashaka kugira ngo babe bagera aho bari bose ari bani.
Aside from Tin Sock and I, there was Shao, who passed away.
Oh?
It was the 3 of us. We started this thing together.
Twari batatu je nawe ndetse na Tinsock.
I owe to the 2 of them.
Iteka namaga nshidikanya kuri bamwe kuba
Oh?
kubashobora kuzava mu ikipe yacu. Tinsock kubona yarafasha abandi bantazi.
He's now one of Tin Sock's men. He goes by the name of Blaze. He's a very skilled fighter.
Tinsock ntabwo ari indwanyi nziza ariko abasore be bane ni abasore batojwe bihagije ku buryo muramutse mudutumye mwiyemeza ko ati twebwe nta bandi mushobora gutuma kugira tubarangize ni abasore bane.
Longevity and good health.
Which clan?
Honor and peace.
How many rings?
4 rings.
Please.
Tin Sock's men.
Yes.
You can go in.
Twese tugomba ko kumenya ko turi abasore ba Tinsock. Tinsock's men niko batangiye kwita abasore bane.
Secret behind this box.
Kiri muri aka gakarito ni igiki?
What is Tinsock's secret?
Tinsock ni iki cy'abikundi na yahe mabanga?
Raised by Tin Sock.
Oh.
Kariya gahungu karezwe na Tinsock ka Blaze.
Be of use, man.
Ari Blaze twamuteranya na Tinsock. Ukuvuga umwavuye mu bari basore bane ba Tinsock umwe akabavamo.
New here.
Turaza kuba tubonye uburyo bwo kugenda twica umwumwe.
I was wondering if you might have a few men of your own to spare.
Nibazaga niba nawe byagushobokera ko ariyo gahunda twafata. Tinsock bagiye kumuteranya n'umunyeshuri umwe. Nako muri bo basore ahingisha umwe muri bo bagomba kumuteranya nawe.
I have a present for you. The Dragon Lord Triad engine.
Bari hakuna abagabo ko barimo kugambana ngo abana baze kugambanira nako baze kubateranya. Bashaka gufata Blaze. Ari bakeka ko arwana cyane. Ni kwa boss.
I've never questioned your orders.
Hello.
He wants us to go and execute all of the workers, sir.
Boss, ntabwo nigeze nkubaza.
Can't be right to just...
Forrest,
Uragira ngo abakozi bose tujya kubica? No.
he knows what he's doing.
Umukozi mwiza amenye icyo shebuja mutumye gukora. Nirirwa baza byinshi, mugende mbatunganye. Boss, Mr. Hang. Mr. Hang ni umukire cyane. Kire si abantu.
Whoever defies me will die.
Whoever defies me will die. Uzansuzugura wese azapfa.
After we waited, Tinsuk finally got to meet with Master Hong.
Nyuma yo gutegereza,
Dragon and I will be able to bring back good news to the others.
abagomba gushakisha Master Hong bakareba ko byibuze babwira bagenzi babo inkuru nziza arimo aribuka. Tiger.
What is the secret of the jade?
Kumbe hakuno hari wari umaze gukanguka. Ashakisha ya jade ibanga ririmo. Jade yari ifitwe na musaza Tinsoko ka kantu k'ibanga yari yabonye. Kumbe bamuteranyije hari icyo bari bagashizemo.
Is Damak.
Mock?
No, Damak.
Aka kitwa Donat.
It may look harmless.
Urabona ntacyo ntacyo gatwaye.
Looks are deceiving.
Gusa ukarashe.
Lethal.
Ni kabi cyane.
Lethal?
Yes.
Niba mwijase undati cyane.
You both must learn how to master Damak. Never let your enemies intimidate you.
Ntukakangwe n'umwanzi mu gihe ufite aka kantu mbere kuko agakora uzafite ni munda ye automatic arangije ashyiraho umunwa. Bonye isasu. Urabona ari nk'agakenyeri ka nta kigenda. Ariko aho gafashe ngo ni habi cyane.
Oh, I'm glad you're both back.
What's the situation?
The warehouse burned to the ground.
Ah, and the assassins failed with the other two. All right, look. I think Tinsok is still alive, and his men will surely look for him. Go spread the word. I want them dead. I don't...
Mama Tinsoko ndakeka aracyari muzima. N'abasore baragomba guhaguruka byanze bikunze bakamushaka niwa musaza wabuze. Wari uyoboye abahinzi. Nako abacukuzi.
He's useful.
Mumushake hanyuma kandi abashaka ari abapfu. Akangaka nako ni ingenzi cyane. Ubashake kandi mubice. Mugende. Baguza abandi bicaye.
I have another plan.
Aba bashenzi nabo nimananirwa ngomba gushakisha ibindi plan. Umupango w'uburyo yabicamo. Boss. Kumbe koko hari abari bagiye gushaka wa musaza Tinsoko.
The best place to start is searching all his favorite places.
Murabana turi bushaka Tinsoko duhera he. Shakisha musaza.
I'll go this way.
Okay.
I'll check here. Okay?
Right.
Nderekera hakuno. Nawe tangira ushake shereye hakuno. Abuba niwe waje hakuno. Abu. Barimo barashaka umusaza Tinsoko. Musaza yaba ari hera.
Anybody here?
Hari urimo hano ra? Barimo barashakisha wa musaza Tinsoko.
Be here?
Uyu ni Abu. Abu barwanyonga. Boherejwe na Rwabugiri muzehe.
Tinsok.
Tinsoko.
Tinsok.
Tinsoko we.
Tinsok.
Tinsoko bamugezeho.
Are you Tinsok?
Niwe Tinsoko.
Yes. Yes, I am.
I'm Abu.
Banyita Abu.
Right. Let me help you.
Reka ngufashe.
Talk, Matt.
Yes, I will take you to him.
Reka ngujyane kwa Tagmani.
He'll help.
Reka ngujyane kugira ngo nawe urebe ko yagutabara. Nuko batabaye Tinsoko.
So, I have found Tinsok.
Toko nabonye Tinsoko.
Hurry, Tok.
What's Toko?
Oh, bring him in, Abu. Over here.
Abu amuzanye mumuzane hano sha, mumuzane hano. Abu bani mumuzanye.
Yes. Tok, the two who went searching with me. I've lost track of them.
Talk, ntabwo ari ibyo ngibyo gusa ahubwo abantu barimo barashakisha cyane.
If they're not back then,
Bigaragara ko ari bibi.
we'll send a party.
Yes, Doc.
Kugira ngo noneho bataza kugera hano dutangiye tubarindire kure. Bamusanze hano biratubana bibi natwe.
They are safe.
Abahungu bari ndetse bararinze.
Except
Usibye ko
there's one who was injured.
hari uwakomeretse cyane.
He cannot speak.
Ntabwo yavuga.
Abu, let Tinsok rest.
Yes.
Abuba we, mu kirari yatiri isoko hanyuma ibindi biranga gukora iki? Toka nibo bari bazanye tiri isoko. Kumbe ba boss.
Master Hong,
Master Hong.
our latest commodity. It's an excellent crop.
None itabi ryawe riryo nakarusho kabisa. Iki gikamba wagikuye barimo barasangira inkono. Buriya bakire abantu n'undi atwaraho.
This weasel will stop at nothing for a profit. I'm in good hands. You've done quite well.
Ndi mu maboko mazima kuva ndi kumwe nawe. Bambizi gukora neza cyane. Ntugire ikibazo buriya mupaka. Buriya mupakasi baraseka. Uyu niwe yatumije mugenzi we ngo amufashe kuri mupakasi buni. Nabakiri. Kiri nuko baseka batigita baravibura.
Don't worry.
Ntugire ikibazo.
The great plan.
Mfite gahunda ikomeye cyane.
Listen,
Umva.
you're looking for a new person to head the mine. We'll arrange a contest to fill the position.
Niba ushaka kugira ngo bari abasore tuzongere tubabone. Dupange aravibura. Dore abakiri baseka bavibura. Dupanga amarushanwa abasenzi bazaza ngo baje kurwana kugira bagaragaza ukuri aravibura. Nibaza baraseka baravibura. Please. Kumbe hakuno igikobwa cya boss.
Terrible is about to happen.
Nendo mbani ibibazo kabisa. Ubuse wa musore yagiye. Kumenya no umusenzi. Umukobwa wa boss ntakibona umupagasi wa boss.
Partners are somewhat suspicious.
I never doubt him. He is a...
Ntabwo nigeze mushidikanya kuva namubona.
Auntie Chung, I was wondering about your marriage to my dad. Was it an arranged marriage?
Mama ndibaza we papa ajya kukurongora rwose byari byarapanzwe cyane.
It's a tradition that's been passed down through the ages. In the long run, it has served us well.
But they're strangers, aren't they?
Yes, that may be the case here, but relationships grow, like your father's and mine.
Mwana wanjye rimwe na rimwe ushobora kuba uri kumwe n'umuntu utamwishimira ariko urabizi ibintu by'amasano birakura nka so nanjye.
The marriage to someone
yagomba gushyingirwa undi muntu urumva.
is to yours. You see, Dan, women should just let a man do as he will.
Dan.
Like when...
igihe cyawe nikigera nawe uzabona so agiye gushakira umukobwa mbese umukobwa muhwanye umukobwa ufite rwose imyigire nk'iyawe umukobwa muzima nako umugabo muzima dani
to stand at his side.
umugabo utazagera gusebya agasebya naso uzahora uruhande rwawe iteka.
Destiny was in our hands.
nako ngenda abona icyerekezo cy'ahazaza hazima kiri ku ruhande rwacu.
She always thought Tinsok and Dad were just alike.
Tinsok na data bari inshuti. None papa akoresha Tinsok.
Tinsok's missing and his men are gone.
Tinsok yarabuze n'abasore barabura.
Now they're looking for a successor for Tinsok.
None bari bashaka umuntu uzasimbura Tinsok.
Someone else is missing.
Ndakeka n'abasore bari kumwe nawe nabo bazabura burundu bazabasimbuza. Kumbe mu basore yanze kuvuga ukuri ko harimo agasore yemeye ko agasimpa.
Where are you?
Darago uri.
Wait.
Mutegereze cyangwa mu mutima. Cyangwa mwibagire. Darago karibaza Darago hari. Kumbe Darago se wako yapanze n'abajya kwica Darago hari. Ba Darago ngaba kabaraga gatangiye kuza bamwe batangiye no kujya mu masoko. Ntabwo baramenya ko bapangiwe kwicwa. Soko! Chamukana! Isoko! Bicanyi bari hano! Bicanyi bari hano bari babapanze! Bicanyi bapanzwe polisi! Yatawe! Kuri tujuru rimwe gasore kawuza kerekera ahantu hasa n'ahari urusengero kabara gufata brokesi mara wamujaze bana n'abana mudama murati ninde hari watabaye umwana kana kantunga n'umuntu katazi ukubita misande lawu amazina nyakuri andi we abapagasi ba bosi bendaga kwica umwana ku rusengero mwibuka muga filime kitwa Island on Fire and Love warakubita bamusaza nibi bijana byo kwa bosi kubita ibigoryi bastard agase nongera natakira and Love haza abandi bapagasi ndabakubita sha ndabakubita tambuka yitonze kandi tabaye umuntu warengana gatanazi ariko ikintu kubona kirenganya abantu mwana muto igendere
Give the kid a chance.
umusore amahirwe
Better get going.
give the kid a chance ikomereze sha byari byamuteraniye and Love keep going komeza wigendere ubita abashenze ngamo nkurikire sha munkurikire mbereka sha yagizemo ikikango bibyimba bisigara inyuma ntabwo bibyimba bijya imbere
Go after Ace. I'll look for Blaze. Go on.
mugakurikire kariya kinyuma mugakurikire njyewe ndasigaye ariko mwe mugakurikire njyewe ndasigaye ariko mwe mugakurikire mujye mumva ko bizi n'abahanga mwe mugende nigiye afande wanyu mwe mugende kandi ari upfuye niwe bakwibuka cyane bamupfanye niwe bakwibuka cyane kandi mwa muri bacakarafu.
Shall we look for them?
bakira aho ngaho James wabo yaje asa n'uwo
Let's get him inside.
tumushyiramo indani we menya abana mukurikiye ibigabo kuko byari byamukurikiye byakurikiye wa wundi wamutabaye maze arabura asigaye mukurikire mushenzi sha mukurikire mushenzi cyane.
Be careful, Dragon. It's a trap.
Nagatego we bari bagiye no kugwa mu cyobo ibigabo biracyabakurikira andi Love yabuze yamutabara amubwira ati komereze nanjye ndagiye ibigabo imitima imeze icyo usanga bake cyane kumbe dore yambona muzeyi yaberetse ayiwe pagasi barashize ikigabo kumbe kirareba mani there Tango tagiye kuba yiga bakizemo gake patira mu isoko bakizemo gake bari batangiye gutembera katorore Jody bigabo ziri hano kimwe cyakuze isoko byari biri hano we please muri abagabo ni bakuru arasutama amshenshi akira bagahaye indi kakana gato Tiger gasempa kariano ino nagifashe kiragakandagira bijari we urutwe ku kibambasi urutwe ku mabuye yewe kishwe n'uburoro bw'inkoko.
What's the secret behind this second jade?
Ibanga riri muri jade ni iri.
Tinsok killed my father?
This jade
Tinsok yabari wishe data.
Your father's death that you've been looking for.
Iyi jade ni igaragaza wishe so.
The one responsible is Tinsok.
Blaze na wundi wishe so ni Tinsok nubwo mukorana. Tinsok mwumvira cyane. Blaze bamuterenje na Tinsok ni wa musaza bemeraga.
It is open to any qualified fighter to challenge for the position.
Kumbe ara amashanwa yarimo gutegurwa abasore bose bagomba kujya muri ayo mashanwa kujya bagaragaza icyo bazi. hanyuma kandi mayina umwe apfa kuba yarigeze acukura mu amabuye y'agaciro wabipanze ari boss ni ukuvuga ngo bafite amahirwe 100% yo kuba batsinda barakwereka bagomba gutangira imyitozo kumbe hari wavumbuye ko se yishwe n'umwe mu bantu bakorana witwa Tirisoko wa musaza bemera
My permission.
Blaze yarababaye
We should be getting our things together and leaving soon.
tugomba gupanga ibyacu byose tukareba ukuntu twava hano vuba baraduhiga amanywa n'ijoro tutazabateza ibibazo arimo arabwira Rwanyonga
No one can bring us harm. Come on. How about we go enjoy a good meal? Thank you very much. This way.
murabwira wa musaza taka nta n'umuzabasangani wanjye mureke twiyunge rimwe bwa nyuma byibuse dusangire mureba aho mugomba kwerekera bari bakize babaye bazima gusa barahigwa amanywa n'ijoro bahora birwanaho ntabwo baryama barabona ko uyu musaza wabakiriye akabavura bazamuteza ikibazo
He's the one who brought me here. We'll have time to heal. Tokmat said it's safe. We've suffered some setbacks, but now we can regroup and form a plan.
imyitozo bayitangiye bashize akete imyitozo Sancho no gariko yitauza police yaske ariko yarakaye kandi nawe bahanganye yarakariye ubusa yitozo uruningiga ari myitozo yo gukurura ingiga yewe yewe yarakaye kurakazwa n'ubusa nawe muri kumwe muhanganye ukarakara zamukanya gupfa zamuka ize ku mabuye nimushaka mwurira imisozi mwikubita ku mabuye please mwambabari ariko mukazitoza mwokapamo ku mabuye imbavu z'umunyarwanda hano zaba zakudaguritse zaba ikidari cyaba cyashize kubita ikidari ku mabuye mwongere mwokapamwe mwongere again bamusubiza kwibuye ndongera kubita ikidari umunyarwanda cha yaguhanukira hari kigengo kimeke Toso ajya muri rodage nka moto ya muhumetse ni moto harya ni ikiri rodage
On the night of the 15th, we will claim justice.
On the night of 15th, we will claim justice.
Sank never entrusted me with the responsibilities of the others.
Kumbe hako narovuga ko Tirisoko ari wabigiye inyuma byo kwicasa. Na wundi babyita corrupt. Kukuja mutwe.
I have to know the answers.
Ngomba kumenya ibisubizo arovuga ngo ngomba kumenya ibisubizo. Kumbe ro bagiye mutwe barangije baramukorompa babyita korompage mu gifaransa baramukorompa.
I've known about it from the very beginning. Every day he goes gambling. I just thought you should know. But I can't tell you what it is right now. Let's meet again tomorrow. You'll learn the entire...
bagiye bamanuka buhoro buhoro bagabanyuka nanjye nagira amahirwe amwe yo kuba atiyo soko namubona nawe uzananiza Blaze abavuyemo ko ari bane.
What about Blaze? Do I think I can trust him?
Blaze umuntu yamwizerara barakwereka umunsi umwe hari wari ugiye ahantu ha wenyine Dragon yaratunguwe hari uwamugambaniye Dragon yitoza amaze kwifata muri iyo minsi katurore bona cya kigabo gikuru bodyguard wa boss hey kigabo buriya abagabo barasutana yewe Jerry Dragon nawe yarari wenyine Ndazakora Blaze mugenzi we ndi wamutache kandi umutwe aramunika mugenzi we gambanye kigabo kiraza nacyo mu gatuza ndakandira mu mazi ndakandagira ubuguru kira amashashira niyo mpamvu nta muntu ugomba kwizera uyundi
I'm sorry, Dragon.
Dragon wihangane.
Don't blame me.
Wingaye.
I only wanted justice served.
Ndashaka kujya gutabera bukorwe. I only want justice to be served. Kumbe turababigambanyije. Abakigambanyije muri bagenzi bacu.
You're here.
Muri hano noneho.
And by your tone, I take it.
Hanyuma kandi ibintu bikabyacangiye kurusha mu buryo.
Truth lies in this little piece of jade.
Ibintu twebwe turaza kubyorosha cyane. Ni ukuvuga ngo Teddy yonyine yatumye umuswa gambana.
I've arranged for you to take over the mine.
Ndashaka kujya ngo ari wowe uza gusimbura tiri soko muri ba miners babacukuze butkungu.
Try to see that you don't succeed.
Hanyuma kandi gusuzajya muri arena hari hasi rwane nurangiza utsinde.
The way to stop that.
Abo muzatinde ni wowe uzahita ufata umwanya wo hejuru wo kuba uzayobora abandi ba miners abacukuze babu.
Help you to lure him.
Ababucukuzi bamubuye agaciro. Tuzagupangira umuntu uzakubita tubwe ko ari watsinze championship amarushanwa.
This opportunity.
Fata amahirwe musore muto tiri soko musimbure. Grab the whole opportunity. Mukirara vibura. Uriya abakire baseka bavibura. Hey.
Today, I will avenge my father's death.
Kuzahurira se ngo wapfuye yishwe na tiri soko byaheye ko bamuteranije.
I'm meeting Blaze by the lake. It's something regarding Ace. Dragon.
Harabandikiye abantu nako mugenzi wabo bagiye ku nyanja babonye atagarutse bajyayo.
Why?
Tiger na Ace nibo bagiye kuzana umurambo wa Dragon mugenzi wabo kubera iki?
Thought we were brothers.
Twaketse ko turi abavandimwe. Nigute Blaze yakora ibi?
After the night of the 15th. The night of good fortune.
Tariki 15, the night of good fortune. Izaba ari ijoro ry'agatangaza gahambaye. Justice to be served. Till so Tiger ndetse na Ace bari gushingura mugenzi wabo apiriye ku mazi Dragon.
I truly believe.
Bamwishe baramuzi.
Will go with us.
Dragon ni tujya mu kurwana muri ringi turajyanana nawe.
We'll be there.
Nitwa turi muri arena hamwe barwanira umujinya.
Today justice will be ours.
Tabirana ubwacu.
And you, Dragon.
Zagora Dragon. Dragon.
We will make sure your death had a reason.
Wapiri impamvu.
The arena will be our witness.
The arena will be our witness. Aho tuzanganira turwana.
We will claim our justice.
Hazatubera abahamya kandi tuzarwanira ubutabera bwacu. Allahu Akbar. Ya Allah. Uziko bagiye kurwana we ya Allah.
Greetings, my friend.
Bravo. Not bravo. Kandi ugo mukene niko basaka ibitugu bizamuka bimanuka. Abakire bari asaba abantu bakisaka bavibura nka telefone ya Nokia.
This is very
arena.
Yes, and it's very lucrative. Look at
biranejeje gose murebe abakiriya bari faranga ryaje.
Attention. We are here today thanks to Master Hong. Isn't this a grand arena?
turi hano kubw'umunsi wambaye turi kumwe n'amasahongo murabona iyi atari arena nziza.
This challenger shall win. Everybody who thinks they're worthy can enter. And in the end, the last man standing here is our new leader.
umugabo wanyu muri buhagarare muri
Introducing
Shasha. Ala. Muyobozi mushya bacukura zahabu bagacukura koroto n'isegereti raka ese niboherejeyo nako Blaze tegerejeho bamuha.
He better win. You arranged for it, right?
kariya gahunga ibiruta nuko katsinda nizere ko agapanje umuntu utazi kurwana cyane kariya nakabonye kumva uko bavuga ngo bagapanje umusore hari abandi binji newcomers abinjira bashasha we
Chainsaw.
Tirisoko
Denise.
yewe dansa ko muri muzima twari twarakubuze Tirisoko n'igisura wo kacwa ko yakije Tirisoko.
And you, I'm disappointed in you.
wowe wamushenzi wowe urarambabaje cyane wamushenzi hanyuma kandi wamushenzi binjira yese nibohereje Tiger asigara.
You're not worthy of this place.
waratubabaje tuje kwereka ko byose bishoboka n'abagukoresha bambari bawe.
You are a man without a heart.
nta mutima ugira. You are a man without a heart.
One
No wonder.
heart.
turaza kureba niba utagira umutima. raka
Let's see who it is.
a man without a heart. We see who it is. turareba utafite umutima muri ring. Arena. Arena. Johnny way. Hey. Buggies. Biza bimwe. Biza bimwe way. Ugaburian. That way. Lobbing 2 hands. Biza farashi. Para bugong. Johnny. Blaze na S. Blaze arakubita Mr. nubwo Blaze nubwo ayobye. Blaze kirakubita shano ngo bakiguze. Wamusheje. Wisha mugenzi wacu ndakwica tu. Waje bastard.
We're all brothers!
Nachetse ko turabavana.
So I thought.
Nigute wakora ibi? Kiramushinyika.
Is that right?
Wamusheje.
Oh, I never thought of any of us as brothers.
Ntabwo nigeze nyereka ko ari numwe muri twebwe uva imwe n'undi. Rumwe ari wo ku giti cye.
Let's see who walks out.
Ubyibuze uwo nkore. In the end. Sarakubita. Breza aramuha. Bize bimwe, bize aramwiba. Gatwe. Ubise ikigori cy'umutu.
Justice is on our side.
Utabera buri ku ruhande rwacu. Kumbe boss yarakaye manuka yasawa. Babiri nabari bajyebo uwa mbere muramubonye n'umushitsi arakubita ariko kature mu ruzigo rw'umwojo. Bajye mu ruzigo rw'umwojo. Hello. Kana gato kamukuye iryinyo kakinjiramo. Yey! Biranga. Jerry. kigingo cyimekenya gupfa waho ku madirishya ho ka kabwiziza ku mutwe kiranga kirakarambika rugingo rw'imeke ku madirishya iki nicyo kigabo bashaka kirakomeye hasi umwana wa boss arareba kumba umusempa barimo baramwica kagasempa cukura umutwe arawucukura cukura umutwe cukura umutwe gicukure wangu gicukure tera itindo kabisa kakuyingigaro karaga ku muntu karaga kwiziga ku kigabo akaboko karizinga kizengo urugabo kugashyira hasi kazingo rukanaga hasi karahaguruka ruzingo ruraha kubisa ruzingo rw'umwejo bagisi ruzingo ruri hano we rurasutama rubatera umwaka bari inyuma kegari we ba bosi bikangamo mwana rero namenyo mingikirane gonze kigabo mingi barayisenya kigabo gifite urubiri rukomeye shawe
Victory must be mine. He's more
sinzi rabiyacura cyangwa iri ku ruhande rw'abari
You gotta stand.
tayiga tayi uruzingo bagize gutya bari rwo ruhekisheye ibi ni ikira ibi ni iki uruzingo rw'umwosho rwakamejeje uruzingo yewe aywe ya Allah
84. Malaya is considered the largest tin exporter in the world.
nakwiba kugomba kwaba abatsinze ntibagomba kuyobora arena nubwo ari arena gusa barwaniye
To repeat themselves.
gusa nanone bari n'icyo bagomba gutangaza kikumvikana
The powerful and struggles of the deprived.
uwari umukire yagizemo ikikango abo yaketse yabonye atari bari
Is it that time creates heroes
bari mumuzamura ahubwo abataketse ntibagiye kumushyira hasi
out of time?
yewe dore uruzingo rw'umwosho we ayiwe cyane cyakuriye ku mvuzo filime nuko igenze yitwaga Four Dragons yari yangava muri The One Video Library turabakunda cyane cyane nuko kagenzi twasize boss nawe wo kumushora mwatako ikurikirana ucikwe turacyakomeza ndari wese samano bantu bakuru mwe mwicare mu ry'ubuzima gusa murye rayifu kurya ubuzima so kurya abana mwabyaye murye kurya amafaranga mwikoreye so kurya abana banyu murye amafaranga mwakoreye abana bazishakire baba yabo barakapfa
向前闯。